I'm Angie Austin with Oil and Gas 360, and we are here at Intercom's 2019 Oil and Gas Conference here in Denver. And joining us is Jeff Fulmer. He is the Executive Vice President with CorEnergy. Welcome, Jeff.
Thanks, Angie.
All right, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of working with CorEnergy, a REIT, to an energy operator.
Okay. Well, we are a great fit for an energy operator that has infrastructure assets that they could benefit from monetizing, but they don't want to give up complete control of that asset. So that's one of the major sticking points with monetization, handing over the keys to someone else. So under our lease structure, we allow that operator to continue to maintain full operational and commercial control. Secondly, when we acquire an asset, even though we own title to that asset, the operator continues to reap rewards of the upside of that asset, even though we own it. And thirdly, I would say that if an operator has attractive, high returning opportunities, such as drilling wells on good acreage, by monetizing an asset and maintaining full control, and then being able to pursue higher return opportunities, they improve their return on capital employed.
All right, so let's delve into that a little bit more. What types of assets can a REIT own, and are there limitations, and what are your current assets?
Okay, yeah, we can own assets across the energy value chain. So whether it's upstream, midstream, downstream, we own in all of those subsectors. The types of assets that we own are pipelines, regardless of what they're transporting. We can own oil storage terminals, offshore platforms, electric power distribution systems. All of those are REIT-qualifying assets. So our number one criteria is criticality. In other words, if it doesn't matter to the operator, it doesn't matter to us either. In other words,
no real limitation.
Well, no, we have some limitations, okay, but we want criticality and importance to that operator. Otherwise, we're not interested.
Okay.
And so the limitations we have as a REIT is we are not supposed to own a trade or a business. And so we're looking for operating partners that want to continue to operate assets.
Okay, all right. Now, in terms of how you finance your asset acquisitions and what types of returns you look for in an investment, can you talk about that and also your history of profitability?
Yeah, well, our financing ability, Angie, is really tied to our liquidity on our balance sheet, which is right now around $280 million. And then to complement that, we're able to engage in corporate level or asset level debt. We're able to pursue private placements. And we also have very good relationships with prospective co-investors. And so over the past few years, we have developed really good relationships with globally recognized prospective co-investors that would benefit from our REIT structure. Mm-hmm. And so we can tackle some pretty large size assets.
All right. What does your deal pipeline look like today, and what are the ideal assets to add to your portfolio?
Our deal pipeline today is probably stronger than it's ever been. And so we've got a variety of types, geographically distributed assets at different stages of asset maturity that are all before us right now that are being assessed. Now, our due diligence process is very rigorous, and the fact is few things survive the scrutiny that we put assets under, okay? But we're not out after a short-term return opportunity, and we're not motivated to transact for short-term opportunities. We're really looking to make the right decision so that our investors continue to have stability over the long term. And that stability is evidenced by our dividends, which have been steadfast for the past 4 years. And so high quality yield is hard to find. And our investors have rewarded us for delivering just that.
Anything else you'd like to add? Excitement about the future, or where you see yourself in a year?
Well, we think we have some really good momentum now, and we've been around as a REIT since 2013, and it's comforting to know that more and more people are aware of us, but still a lot of companies are not. And so as we become better known, we think that the opportunity flow and our access to consider lots of different opportunities for the benefit of our investors is going to only enhance with time.
And does that help to come here to the Oil and Gas Conference with Intercom?
Absolutely. We love the Intercom Conference, and we're always in attendance here. And we think it's very well orchestrated, and it's a great opportunity to meet new friends and to visit old ones.
Wonderful. All right. Again, Jeff Fulmer, Executive Vice President with CorEnergy. Thanks for joining us. I'm Angie Austin with Oil and Gas 360.